Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to be learning how to buy data and airtime for yourself and also for others. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscription button, also like and share. So we are going to be scrolling down, and the next thing we are going to do is to click on airtime. Once we click on airtime, this displays on our screen. Okay, so right now we have two options in here. One says myself and the other says others. Okay, so this myself here means probably you want to buy airtime for yourself, and others means you want to buy airtime for others. Now I have my number displayed in here. Okay, so this number is displayed in here because it is my registered line. Let's assume I want to recharge this number. I have input this number here. The next thing I have to do is to select the network, which I'm going to do right now. So we have different networks here, and I'm going to select Airtel. Then next is to input the amount I want to buy. So let's move on. After that, we need to input our transaction PIN, okay, to enable the process to be completed. Okay, so the PIN has been input, and the next thing is to click on purchase. Good. So we have clicked on purchase and we have gotten a notification which says successful. All right. So next, if we want to recharge for others, or perhaps you have another line, all you need to do is to click on these others here. Once you click on it, you input the number that you want to register for, either your second line or another person's line. So you input it. So I'm going to be inputting a random number here. All right, so I'll input the network. This is MTN. So I also input the amount. I also input the amount which I want to register. Sorry, excuse me. I also input the amount which I want to recharge with. Next is to input your PIN. So once you input your PIN, you click on purchase again, and the airtime will be delivered to either your line or whosoever you have inputted the number in there. So this is exactly how you purchase airtime for yourself, for others, or perhaps your second line or your third line, whichever it is. So again, if you are going to be sending data to your phone, you also come back here and click on data. Okay, so once you click on data, we have two information coming up, so which is either SME or direct data. So depending on what you want to, you could click on SME if you want to recharge or if you want to send SME data to the person, and also the same procedure. So you input your number, you input the network, either Airtel or MTN, whatever network it is. You also choose your plan. And you can select from the list of plans that are available. Once you select, let's assume you select 1 gig. Okay, so the next thing now is to input your transaction PIN. Once you input your transaction PIN, you can click on. Once you input your transaction PIN, you can then click on purchase. Once you purchase it, the data will be sent immediately to you. Also, if you want to purchase data for other people, you click on others, you input the number of the individual you want to recharge for, or you want to send, you input the number of the person you want to send the data to. Then you also select the network as well. You choose your plan. Then you also input your transaction details and you click on purchase. So that's exactly how you buy data for yourself and for others.